Well, I just made a trip to my local Hobby Lobby in Harrison, Arkansas, which I've already said is in the Ozark Mountains, and it is the be-all, end-all for many people to get art supplies in this entire region. This is a pretty large Hobby Lobby, and I'm showing you the punches that I used. Now that's a tiny heart punch. That, I don't know, maybe I don't use that, but I have most of these. I use that little guy, this little tiny punch for pupils and smaller things, and there's another one. That's the punch I used yesterday for the mouth. But no, that's not. This is the one I used yesterday. I can't get close. There it is. But I want to show you something. Down here, that is the bigger punch. And I'm going to do something with that in just a minute. And I have all of these. I have circle punches, all sizes. And I have most of them because, especially when I was a children's librarian, then they have little sets that have like square. They have the little tiny heart and things. So that's the punch department. Paper Studio also makes scrapbook size paper. And so here is your craft paper in the scrapbook size. And guess what? It's 40% off today. The largest economy size may be the way to go with this. But that's just not the extra heavyweight. You need, that comes, but looky here. Oh, doesn't our donkey need some of these things? Ooh, yes, our donkey needs to be elegant. He needs to have leopard flourishes. Are these, look at those gorgeous colors. All of these are packages of Paper Studio scrapbook paper. Again, it won't make ears, but you can decorate your donkey with any of these scrap. And I know if you're like any other crafter and you have a ton of this stuff already at home, and good for you. I always have stuff that I can make things with, my natural habitat. In fact, I've often said, people ask me what my medium is. Well, I paint in watercolor, I paint in acrylic. My medium is really crepe construction paper and scrapbook paper. I make more out of that than most people ever would think of. So these are the scrapbook papers. Also glittery. Maybe you would need a little glitter paper on yours. And look at these, all these. Oh, this one's all kinds of black and farmhouse. Farmhouse, we got the cow. Ooh, why not have a cow donkey? Now I'm in the section where I found, of Hobby Lobby, where I found the sacks that I used to make puppets. These are the colors that this store sells right now. And I don't know what you're going to find online, but this store has black, and then that's that craft color. It's called craft, and then there's a beigey and a white and some reds and some pinks and some blues. And in fact, I think I need to make a pink donkey, so I'll make one of those too. But then over here, and these are really okay, big tip. Pretty quickly, your papers are going to get out of line. It is going to have more paper than you know what to do with. I have a ton of these. In fact, I'm going to show you when I get back to my studio. These are paper storage, I don't know what you call it. Storage cabinet, but it's not a cabinet, it's a wire. It's a wire device, and they happen to be on sale if you can find them for $15. I'll try to see if I can't find a link to that. It's called Craft Plus Office Storage Paper Rack. Holds a 12-inch size. As I told you yesterday, I'm going to show you today how I have arranged my studio to be ready for my paper projects. All the punches are closed, the pencils, the glue, a little caddy with some sacks for the puppets, a pencil sharpener. This paper container, this is the lightweight paper to create designs for the things, patterns I'm going to be giving people. This is a heavyweight, extra heavyweight white. This is an extra heavyweight beige. This is an extra heavyweight craft color. It's called, I'll say this over now, it's Kraft. That's the color of the donkey. It's a donkey, well, I call it donkey brown. But anyway, okay, it's sacks down, colorful sacks. I'm going to be taking with me these craft colored sacks, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make some varieties on your paper puppets. Now, okay, let me show you. I always start my color system from white, moving up, yellow, darker yellow, light orange, orange, red, dark red, lighter pink, a darker pink. That's a purplish pink. That's not my favorite color. Black, gray, that is a beige color, and this is a brown, not craft brown, but another brown. But that's just one rack. Now over here, this rack, this is a different kind of rack that I ordered from Amazon. There's that lavender, purple, blue, a darker blue, turquoise, lime green, a darker lime green, Kelly Christmas green, darker green, and then on top I have my glitter scrapbook paper. Now I'm going to actually write a post as soon as I can to tell you it's important not only that you have a system to organize things, but you also need a system to remember what the system means. And so I use the color codes very deliberately because it is my way to remember how I have things ordered. You get a peek over there of my Copic markers. Those are done the same way. Colors, yellows, reds, pinks, greens, blues. And I'm going to it all kind of relates to the color wheel.